what about cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and blockchain? It's fair to say we've seen the rise and fall of crypto recently, with the demise of FTX being a stark reminder that decentralized and unregulated currency markets are extremely volatile. Just as suggested for the metaverse, you should experiment with what it's like to buy, hold, and then dispose cryptocurrency. There is no doubt that digital currencies of all types are here to stay, and employees in the future may ask to be paid in a new type of crypto, so you need to be across what it all means. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, seem to have become an interesting fad and a bit of a distraction as we try and understand why people would pay tens of thousands, sometimes millions, for an asset that doesn't really exist. The corporate future, though, for NFTs is interesting. If you sell tickets to an event, you might use NFTs as a way to stop ticket fraud and also provide a unique souvenir. We've also seen NFTs being used to provide company-specific tokens as a part of an employee's incentive plan. So-called tokenomics of goods and services has promise far beyond cartoons of bored apes. Which brings us to blockchain, a technology developed back in 2011, which underpins many of the platforms and services that make up Web3. Blockchain, also called distributed ledger technology, has huge promise in the corporate world. So it's important you understand the fundamentals of this technology and also what it can, and more importantly, what it cannot do. There are also fundamental concerns around the sustainability of this technology, and there is work underway to improve this as we grapple with a global energy crisis. So the question becomes, do you have a Web3 strategy, and do you need one? You should consider issues such as the implications for your intellectual property and how to protect your brand. Do you have the ability to implement and manage a virtual land? And is there someone on your team that has a gaming mentality and can help you bridge into what it means for your products and services? My advice is that rather than just following suit, brands need to fully explore the implication of its adoption across the business and consider whether it's something they see as a commercial activity rather than just following the crowd.